Hello and welcome to another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Today we were able to snatch an item off of the shipping department. It's our Real Taxi from BHS. This is part of our electrical products group. It provides the electrician who's pulling the Cat5 or the Cat6 Ethernet IT cable a safe and efficient means of uncoiling from the reel. Notice here how easy it is to simply relocate these. Heavy duty construction shown here in the safety blue. Other colors are available upon request. We're also incorporating some side rub rails here to keep the reels centered and rolling smoothly when you're uncoiling. There's various different casters. We're using a nice cushion faced here for rolling around office environments and so forth so as not to damage the floor surface. Capacity wise, it's really per your requirement. You can get hold of your inside sales rep at BHS to let them know what your particular application is, dimension-wise and so forth, and we'll assure that it's able to accommodate and outfit your installers with the right tool that they need to perform a safe and efficient job. We're always thinking about total cost of ownership, future repairs, and so forth. Notice that all of the components that make up the Real Taxi from BHS are easily accessible and serviceable. Keeper pins here holding the 7/16" hex axles into place, and then rollers are easily removed from that. Of course, the casters are right out here on the outer edge, easy access. Your team may also want to consider the ergonomic handle option for simplified maneuvering of your Real Taxi. As always, we welcome your customer request. Get hold of your inside sales rep at BHS with your requirements and we'll get to work for you. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. Thank you for watching this Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Stay tuned. We've got more coming your way.